Hello YouTubers, and welcome to an update on the trading, not trading 212, Freetrade. Sorry, I do another update on trading 212, but this is actually the Freetrade. I should really start this video again, but I won't bother because that is how I roll. Sometimes you just have to freestyle it a bit. Right, let's crack on in, see what's going on, YouTubers. So, as you can see, this portfolio here, I started investing at the tail end of 2021. So, as you will no doubt know, unless you've been locked in a room or you're a vampire and you forgot to press your alarm button or you kept whacking the snooze button, the market has tanked big time on fears of inflation, war, increased commodity prices, various things. So as you can see, almost all of the stocks are slightly down. Some are doing slightly better than others, some not so. So you'll see from the previous update that I did, I've actually increased my position in NEO, which for those of you that don't know, it's like a Chinese Tesla. They've actually got a factory in Norway now, or it might be Sweden, I can't remember, but they've got one in Europe which they are starting to produce cars from. So I am hopeful that this stock will recover. It actually got up to previous highs of about $60, I believe. Yeah, $57, $60. There you go, $62 at its high. I previously did own it in my trading 212 portfolio, not in the free trade. But I sold it when it was actually a reasonably healthy profit. So I'm choosing to buy back in right now when obviously the stock is effectively on sale. Apple, obviously, that's always floating around either a slight profit or a slight loss at the moment. Obviously, it went down. Alphabet or Google, again, pretty static. Matterport has tanked, got down to actually about minus 52% of the returns, so pretty horrendous, but I do believe in the kind of metaverse theme, if you like, going forward. And again, for Meta, that's down 30%. As we know, that had a massive drop-off back around about a month or so ago. Here we are, so we're going along quite nicely, and then bang, because they realised that user numbers were not growing. That is as fickle as the stock market is. Hopefully that stock will recover. I'm pretty sure Mark Zuckerberg will bring out the metaverse, as they brand it, but they won't be the only company, i.e. Matterport, are doing that, Roblox and so on, which you can see I've also invested in. So I won't go covering every single stock, but as you can see, Robinhood continues to perform poorly in both Trading 212 and Freetrade accounts. In the Trading 212, it's down about 50%, which is a real shame. I do believe in that company. It's basically an American version of the app that I'm using right now. It's just had a bit of a bumpy ride through some various events last year. Podpoint here, I put some further investment into them. They're a UK charging point thing. I had an investors kind of webinar, I suppose, where they basically came on and they talked about all the things they wanted to do. They had questions from larger investors. They did have some from retail investors, but not many. And I thought it was overall quite nice. It's a pretty okay company. I mean, I'm not sure that they're going to innovate quick enough, and they do run the danger of being wiped out by people like Tesla if they open all their charging points and things to all cars, in my opinion. But we shall see in time. But they do actually have quite a good thing in place with blocks of flats, which I think would be quite good. They've actually joined with the governing body who deal with the leasehold industry, Armour, and they will be doing some presentations and trying to really infiltrate that market. Their sort of main key thing seems to be like low charge rates, so like 43 kilowatts and down, which 43 is quite powerful for a home, but they do a lot of 7 kilowatts at things like supermarkets like Tesco's and so on. So we shall see how they perform over time. Go Ahead Group, still shares, I believe, are frozen at the moment. or maybe they might have been unfrozen, I can't really remember, but they had this massive fine for not basically adhering to the train license that they had, and it literally basically meant that the stock couldn't be traded for a while, so it really has traded sideways for quite some time now. Not really a lot's happened with it. I can't remember if you can sell or buy it anymore. Maybe we can now if we go to the sell point. So yeah, obviously it's back on track, but it has been for quite some time unable to trade. Tesla, I bought a small share of that when it was down quite low, so obviously it's given quite a good return already because the markets have shot up today. Overall, it's interesting, this at the top here where it says down by 1,394, that actually reached about £2,600, so it's recovered by £1,200 in the last probably 3 trading days, maybe 2. So yeah, pretty impressive stuff. So that's a quick overview of the trading Freetrade, not trading 212. Almost did it again then. I've just got some things that I'm watching. So Lucid Motors being one of them. They're just about to release all the information on their cars, as in how many they have sold, how many they've shipped out, all their profit numbers and the rest of it. So I'm expecting them probably to have missed their targets, and maybe this stock come down a little bit. My sort of buy entry point would be ideally probably around about $20. So I didn't quite reach where I wanted it to. I think we got down to $23 here, pretty low but not quite low enough for me. Around 2018 would be good. I'll be probably trying to buy in at that, but 20 would be okay, even 22 really, but yeah, I'm hoping it will come down, but anyway, it may never come down, and good luck to the people that are invested in it. And if it does come down, hopefully that is a good buying opportunity. So anyway, that is the update on there. If you want to start your investing journey, and obviously this is, don't just copy me, it's not financial advice, I'm literally just sharing my portfolio, that's it. Literally not really advocating that you should copy me or follow me. I don't necessarily say these are good investments, they're just what I choose to invest in, and the amount of money you choose to invest is really down to you. It's your risk appetite, your risk level. As you can see, I'm at a loss. If that £1,400 is too much of a loss for you to stomach, then you really need to make sure that you are investing at a level that is comfortable for you. Anyway, having said that, obviously not financial advice, these videos, just for entertainment purposes only. If you do want to start your investing journey, you can get free shares with Trading 212. However, they're a little bit problematic taking on new customers and onboarding. However, with Freetrade, you can get a free share up to worth up to £50. You can also get one if you up to £50 if you open a stocks and shares ISA and put £1,000 deposit in. But you can also get an extra free share if you use the link in the description below. So if you go down to the description below, there will be a little link to Freetrade. Click on that. You get a share. Obviously, I get a share as well. It's pretty much the same thing. It can be ranged between £5 and 20 quid. I haven't ever really seen them much above that, but it is literally free money. You might as well. Everybody collects nectar points and gets their 1% cash back and the rest of it. Why wouldn't you get your free share worth probably around about £5? Anyway, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to get that free share down below if you are starting your investing journey. If you're already on it, good luck. You can always upgrade to an ISA if you're not already there and get this free £50 as you refer down the bottom. And I shall see you next time. Go well, people.